Okay, guys, today I'm at Hotel Victor. It's not too far from Club Mixer where I do them videos at. So let me let you see how it looks out here. And I'll walk around and I'll show you my room. You got Philly Dom right here. Also, this is the card for the hotel right here. Information is on the back. Obviously, I'm going to put it in the description, but just to show you guys. So let's walk around a little bit. That's where I'm staying for the next couple of days. It's their little sign right here, Hotel Victor. What area is this hotel in? What's the neighborhood? What's the neighborhood?
Santo Domingo Este.
Santo Domingo Este. So
yeah.
The hotel is in Santo Domingo Este. That's what I was just told. They got a nice little artwork. How long has it been around? You know how long it's been around for?
It's been around for like 30 years.
30 years. Hotel been around 30 years. All right, I'm going to walk around and I'm going to show them my room. Okay. Thank you so much, man. So we're going to walk on this side. Hotel's pretty big. Oh, they have little parties back there and stuff? Wow. Oh, let's walk back here. Let me let you see what's going on. Like a little pool party type thing in. Oh, sorry. It's cool vibes, man. It's like a little bit, like almost like an amusement park. Well, I wasn't expecting this, man. It's a whole big, like, adventure. It's all right. I actually like it, man. My friend picked for us to stay here. I didn't even know it was going to be like this. It's pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Let me keep showing you guys what's going on around here. Wow. It's like a little like, adventure. Like a little wet and wild pool adventure. Wow. Cool vibes. Oh, that was cool. That was cool right there, man. That was cool. Wow. Like a little amusement park type situation here. Oh, that was cool, man. That was cool. I didn't even know they had that back there. I was back there the other day, but nobody here. But it was late. It was like 8 or 9.
Yeah, that's open up to 6 o'clock.
It's like a little amusement park back there. Wow, that's crazy. That was nice. That was nice. And it's like that every day. Oh wow. So people always got a
It
little.
opens up at 8:30 to 6 o'clock.
So it was like a little wet and wild pool park and everything like that. Wow, that was interesting. Thank you so much.
All right.
I'm gonna go inside, let them see the inside. And y'all got 2 pools, I see.
Yeah.
One pool there, one pool
One
there.
pool for the people that are at the hotel.
Uh-huh.
You got another pool here for the people that come.
Okay.
A family pool.
All right, so this is more like a family type setting. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, man. Appreciate you.
All right.
What's your name so they know your name so they know who it is?
John.
John. All right, thank you, John.
All right.
I'm going inside. So I go to the desk and tell her I need somebody gonna come up to the room.
Yeah, I'll send somebody else in 5 minutes.
Okay. Got a little restaurant right here, man. It's an actual camera. I'm a YouTuber. Yeah. I'm doing video. Yeah. Wow. It's nice. So the restaurant, they got a restaurant, they couldn't believe it was a camera. They couldn't believe it was a camera. Yeah, it's the Osmo Pocket, man. I'm like one of their biggest fans of the Osmo Pocket. It's a little restaurant in here. Let me let you see the restaurant real quick. This is the restaurant, right?
Yeah.
I can walk in just to let them see it?
Yeah.
Okay. It's the restaurant, man. Ain't nobody in there right now. Just the restaurant right here. You can get whatever you want. They got all sorts of food in here. That's the kitchen right there. Hola, ¿cómo estás? All right, about to go to my room so you guys can see what the room look like. I know you want to see. That was a basic little spot, but it's way nicer than what I expected, man. There's a nice artwork on the wall. Walk around, I'll take you upstairs. I'm on the 2nd floor. We'll walk around, let you see everything. This is way more than what I expected. Like I said, it's not top dollar here. You know, it's not the best hotel, but it's definitely not the worst hotel. And they got a lot of little amenities there with it as well. Let's just see it. And then we'll make our way up to that 2nd floor. So you can see my room and where I'm staying at, man. Man, I'm actually surprised, man. That actually surprised me, man. I wasn't expecting it to be like that, man. You never know. You never know. The artwork, man. Wow, nice. Give you a feel of the hotel so you can see Victor Hotel information. Put all this in the description for you. Wow, that floored me. I wasn't expecting that. This is where your boy Philly done. That's where I'm staying at. Make it up to that 2nd floor. See what's going on. Wow. I took a picture behind here. You know, I took this one when I did the live earlier today. Sitting, man. Take it to my room. Little older building. There you go. Ooh, it's going down slow. It's going down. So you see the pull. Boom. Going back up. That's where I'm at. '18. Number 18. Might be a little blurry. Number 18. Let's key in the room. Let you guys see where your boy Philly Diamond staying at. I'll keep the door open so you can put all the light, you know what I mean? They didn't clean the room, got anything. Everything. One of the computers are out. Right here. The bed. That was basic, you know what I mean? Your TV. Right here. Little couch, you know what I mean? Remind me of like the 80s. I feel like I'm in the 80s on what is it, Miami Vice. I feel like I'm on Miami Vice from the 80s. I feel like Miami in the 80s. That's what the whole hotel vibe. Seemed like it didn't catch up, but it's like the 80s. But it's nice. The staff is friendly. They're cool. It's clean. It's a nice little spot. But I mean, furniture look like it's from the 80s. Like I said. But it's a cool little vibe, you know what I mean? It's not that much. So see everything, man. Go towards this bathroom. Let me cut on the light. Oh, the light was on. Wow. Basic, man. You know basic. I mean basic, man. It's a little basic. Go a little basic, but I mean it gets the job done. But the key word is clean, and the staff is very friendly, and they're very nice, cool people. And this is where your boy Philly Diamond stand for the next couple days. Shout out to the subscriber that paid for the place to put me here for the next couple days. Just came out of nowhere. This is a blessing out of nowhere. So God is good all the time. That's where I'm staying. Shout out to the subscriber that put me in here. This is it, man. This is it. Bed, you know, I slept there last night. It was comfortable enough, you know. I can't complain. Fridge, put your drinks, your food, whatever, everything is right here, boom. I know the most important thing is you guys want to know the price. So let's go downstairs and let me double check with them for the price. Because I know what the subscriber paid for the place, but I just want to verify it so we all be on the same page. So I'll find out how much a double room costs and a single room costs. All right, guys, so let's lock the door. And we'll make our way downstairs so you guys can, so I can verify the price. Santo Domingo ESTE, not too far from Club Mixer. A landmark I could give you, Club Mixer. Not too far from Club Mixer. That's the landmark I can give you. Horse back downstairs. But it's definitely kid friendly to bring your kids and everybody down here. So I'll ask my friend a couple more questions because he speaks English, so we can double check everything really quickly. Go back outside and ask him. He's out here. Yeah. I'm using your English skills, man, to ask a couple more questions. For the poor, do they have to pay for that?
Yes.
How much is that?
150 bucks.
150 pesos. So 150 pesos is like about $3 US. $3 US to use the pool area from 8:30 to 6 p.m. And then also, how much is it for the rooms? Because somebody paid for the room for me.
$35 a single bed and $50 a double bed.
Double bed. So $35 for a single bed and $50 for a double bed a night.
Yeah.
And they have the restaurant here. They have the pool area. Security. It's in a gated. As you see, everything is gated. They got security 24 hours. You got access to taxi if you need a taxi. Ubers, everything. Everything is here, guys. So when you're in the Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo, come stay in Santo Domingo Este and stay at Hotel Victor. And it's not too far from Mixer because everybody knows Mixer bar.
5 minutes, 2 minutes away.
2 minutes away. Yeah, I always try to give them a landmark, something that they would know. All right, then. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate you. And let me turn the camera around for myself so you can see me. Yo, guys, please come here. Please stay here at Hotel Victor. It's a cool, relaxing spot. You'll definitely like it. You know, Philly Dom approves this, so I'm telling you, it's cool and laid back, and it's close to Mixer Nightclub where I've been doing all them videos at. And Spania, I'll let him say it. Yeah, hold on. Back to you. The Spania. Avenue of Spania. Yeah, people drink there, they walk there, they work out there.
Yeah, close by. You just have to walk there.
We can walk there, and there's a lot of restaurants there, and it's a lot of things to do on that. And you're not too far from Zona Colonial. You're like
10 minutes from the Zona Colonial,
yeah.
10 minutes from the airport, 15 minutes from Boca Chica.
See, everything, it's like it's a middle ground towards everything. All right then, guys, man. So thank you for tuning in, and more of these videos will come. Appreciate you, my brother. Thank you so much.
Take it easy.
All right. Peace out from Hotel Victor in the Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo. Come check it out. Please subscribe to my channel. And please give this video a like.